Welcome to my channel. In this lecture, we are going to discuss 3.5 exercise of chapter 3, question number 2, first and second part of class 10th, that is from NCERT maths book. What the question is saying? Question is that for which value of A and B, for A and B, we have to find the value. This A and B value we have to find, so that the equation have an infinite number of solutions. That we have to find the ratio of A1 upon A2 and B1 upon B2 and C1 upon C2 ratio. We have to find it out. What is our equation? 2x plus 3y equals to 7. Another equation is what? A minus b into x plus a plus b into y equals to 3a plus b minus 2. So, you see here what? X 4 variables are there, x is there, y is there, a is there, b is there, then which one we will take as a variable? But since in this book we are from the starting to end we are taking the values of x and y, that too he is asking find the value of a and b. That means a and b has been taken as a numerical numbers, has taken a number. So, our variable is what? X and y. So, a and b are some numbers. Okay. So, this equation we have to, first step is what? We have to see whether it is in standard form or not. If not, we have to change it. So, it is the 7 is what? Equal, other side is there is no 0. So, we should bring this 7 to this side. Okay. So, that is become what? 2x plus 3y minus 7, plus 7 will become minus 7 equals to 0. That is first equation. Second equation what? What is the coefficient of x? A minus b. So, a minus bx plus a plus by, and this one is treated as a constant. So, this one will whole you will take as a constant. 3a plus b minus 2 is a constant, one number you take it, and if you take other side put the minus value, minus 3a plus b minus 2 equals to 0. Okay. Now, first step is over. Now, we have to compare this with the equation. What is our standard format? a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. So, you compare with the first equation. What is our a1? a1 is 2, and what is our b1? b1 is 3, and what is our c1? c1 is minus 7. Okay. Similarly, for with second equation also we have to compare. What is the standard equation? a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. What is our a2? a2 is a minus b, we have written here. What is our b2? a plus b, we have written here. What is our c2? c2 is minus bracket inside the bracket 3a plus b minus 2 is, this is our c2. Okay. Now, let us find the ratio. Okay. What is our ratio? a1 upon a2. We have to find the ratio. a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2, that is equals to c1 upon c2. Then it will have infinitely many solutions. So, we have to find a1 upon a2. Okay. So, what is our a1? Have we written? a1 is 2. So, a1 is 2, a2 is a1 is 2 and a2 is a minus b equals to b1 is 3 and b2 is a plus b. Why hai na? A plus b is the constant. Then c1 is what? 7 minus 7 upon minus 3a plus b minus 2. Got it? So, now, so what is saying? All are equal. So, let us do these two are equal. So, that means 2a minus b, 2 upon a minus b equals to 3 upon a plus b. Now, let us do the cross multiplication. Okay. So, 2 into a plus b is equals to 3 into a minus b. Now multiply 2 ones are 2 into a is 2a plus 2 into b is 2b. That equals to 2 into 3 is 3 into a is 3a plus into minus is minus 3b. Okay, a's together, so all b's together, so 2b plus 3b you bring this side, so that will become plus 3b, and here 3a and 2a you bring this side, 2a minus 2a, then that one will become what? Now 5b equals to a, so this is our a value has come. Okay, now let us do these two. b1 upon b2 equals to c1 upon c2, b1 upon b2 equals to c1 upon c2. We shall do 3 upon a plus b is equals to minus 7 upon minus 3a plus b minus 2. Here it is minus minus plus got cancelled. So now let us do the cross multiplication. 3 into 3a plus b minus 2 is equals to 7 into a plus b. Now multiply. So 3 3s are 9a plus 3b minus 6 equals to 7a plus 7b. Okay, now brings all a's towards this side. So 9a, this 7a you bring this side, so 9a minus 7a. Then plus 3b minus 7b, this 7b has come this side, minus, so this minus 6 will go this side, so plus 6. Now this has become 2a minus 4b equals to 6. Okay, now we shall put the value of a here. Okay, 2a minus 4b equals to 6. A equals what? 5a, a equals to 5b. So you put 2 into 5b minus 4b equals to 6. What? Substituted value of a. So 10b minus 4b equals to 6. 10 minus 4 is 6b equals to 6b equals to 6 upon 6. So b equals to 1. Okay, now substitute value of b in 5b 5b equals to a. So 5 b value is 1 equals to a. So a equals, that is a equals to 5. So now what is the our value? So the values of a equals to 5, b equals to 1. This is the answer. Got it? Let's do the next question. Second question is saying, for what value of k, second part. So second question, this is, so for what value of k will the following pair of linear equation have no solution? It has what? No solution. So 3x plus y equals to 1, 2k minus 1 x, this is the coefficient of x, and k minus 1 y the coefficient k minus 1, and equals to 2k plus 1, this is our constant. So we shall change the equation into standard form. So 3x plus y, this 1 you will bring this side, so plus 1 minus 1 is over. Now second equation, 2k minus 1 x plus k minus 1 y, this one you will bring this side. So then put the whole will and 2k plus 1, like this you put in a bracket. So when you bring this one whole will come minus 2k plus 1, this way you will do. equals to 0. So the first equation you compare with a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. This is our standard equation, general equation. So you compare with this. A1 is our what, 3, and b1 is our 1, and c1 is minus 1. I didn't write here. b1 is 1, c1 equals to minus 1. Okay, then here I have written, okay, c1 is minus 1. Then here a2 is what? A2 is 2k minus 1, and b2 is k minus 1, c2 is 2k minus 2k plus 1. This is our c2. Okay, now let's do, since the equation has no solution, so a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 equals to c1 upon c2. Then it has got many solution. No solution means what? This one not equal, then there is no solution. Okay, now let's take out a1 upon a2, we shall take out. So here a1 upon a2 is, so we have written, so let's solve directly. So a1 upon a2, 3 upon 2k minus 1, 3 upon 2k minus 1 is equals to b1 upon b2, b1 is what? 1 upon b2 is what? K minus 1. That is not equals to c1 क्या है? c1 क्या है? 1 हो गया उधर माइनस, minus 1 upon minus 2k plus 1. Okay, now this one minus cancelled. Okay, now let's take these two. What is a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2? 3 upon 2k minus 1 equals to 1 upon k minus 1. Now let's do the cross multiplication. So 3 into k minus 1 is equals to 2k minus 1. Okay, now 3k minus 3 equals to 2k minus 1. This k you shall bring this side, ये इसको इधर ले आओ, 3k minus 2k हो गया, ये माइनस वहाँ रहा, ये 3 को इधर ले आओ, माइनस वाला प्लस हो जाएगा. So this is k equals to, so 2. Okay, now k value is what? 2. So 2 is the answer. Okay, k is equals to 2. Then the equation has no solution. Two into 2 minus 1, that equals to 3. 2 to 4, 4 minus 1, that is 3 upon 3. That is 1 is coming, 1 upon 1. Here 1 upon k is 2, 2 minus 1, that is 1 upon 1. Yes, a1 upon a2, correct. And this one is coming what? 1 upon 5. 1 upon 1 is equals to 1 upon 1 is not equals to 1 upon 5. Got it? This is our, just to what? To know ourselves is correct or not. Okay, right? समझ में आ गया? अब ठीक है, अगर समझ में आ गया प्लीज़ press the like button. Thank you very much by watching my video.